Okay, guys.
Make sure you get only this.
Efficient energy use at home is your group discussion topic. So anyone who wants to start it can come front and start about it. Come on, guys.
Do not take that because I
Itna bhi.
have this. That's what I'm take only that.
कोई आके बोलो है by using some points इतना points भी नहीं बता दिया पता है तो आगे बोलना यार इंग्लिश करा जैसी भी आती है बोल हिंदी में बोल बेसिक अगर आप सीखें तो इंग्लिश बेसिक अगर देखा जाए तो सबसे चीप हम सोलर एनर्जी यूज़ कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इजीली अवेलेबल होता है और मैक्सिमम लोग पे अवेलेबल है सनलाइट और इसीलिए अवेलेबल है मैक्सिमम लोग पे अवेलेबल है और उसके यूजेस भी बहुत अच्छे हैं जैसे सोलर कुकर कहते हैं यू कैन प्रिपेयर फूड एट योर होम तो न्यू मॉडल्स हैं इसमें आप फ्राई भी कर सकते हैं और सोलर हीटर्स कहते हैं यू कैन यूज एज अ बॉयलर एंड यू कैन जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्रॉम इट सोलर कार्स कहते हैं नई टेक्नोलॉजी से आप सोलर कार्स बना सकते हैं Okay.
The thing is that our generation is born. The thing is that our generation is born in a world which is full of technology. We have never saw the world which the gap 1900 to 20th century we have not saw it. We have not witnessed that. We have not witnessed the 20th century. The thing like you would realize our parents or the elder ones have saw that power cuts or there was no power. They used to live in those type of conditions.
करो ना ग्रुप डिस्कशन यू कैन टॉक या ओके एनीवन एल्स अरे पावर के बारे में एक पॉइंट नहीं पता क्या यार किसी को पावर जीरो होता है कौन पावर 2 मिनट हो गए क्या 2 मिनट ओके गाइस एनीवन एल्स वांट्स टू स्पीक अबाउट इट एनर्जी के बारे में यू कैन स्पीक इन हिंदी कम ऑन स्पीक समथिंग स्पीक आउट दिस डोंट मीन यू नॉट समथिंग और
efficient energy is something like saving energy as it is a non-renewable resource. We have very much difficulty of having energy. So as it is getting increased day by day, we are having losing energy, and we can use rods instead of bulbs which were used earlier. So energy is saved in all these ways.
Okay, anyone else?
Are you following this point?
Yeah, we are of course using rods and CFLs at our homes instead of the 100 watt bulbs used earlier.
But you don't use it here. But I've never seen you using them. You always switch on the light and leave it. Please answer.
Okay guys, now let us speak.
The topic is energy efficiency. How efficiently you use energy at your domestic places or at your homes. Efficiency in the sense 3 points: reduce, reuse, recycle. How carefully we use energy which is non-renewable. How carefully we can use a regenerating energy with which a lot of waste is generated and a lot of pollution is created. So, first point, switching off your lights, fans whenever people are not using them. Using it very efficiently, okay. Switching down to renewable energies like wind energy, solar energy, hydel energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy, etc. And fifth point, getting accustomed to various chaos situations. How exactly we manage the energy crisis situation. How exactly we get into various deliberations in clarifying the issues contemporary to thermal energy and contemporary to thermal energy.
Okay.
Using these alternatives is a good idea. We have many options as said, but the problem is why are they becoming famous? Point is everyone is not aware about it. We as in India, we have invented those chulhas where saving the women in the kitchen from those bhattis and smoking those things. But overall implementation is still pending. So when we are talking about efficient energy users, we need a basic education for them. After that, implementing this will be a successful idea. Implementing all those options, whether it's on water conservation, water recycling, water reutilization, even a single energy source can be used to its maximum utilization.
You've talked about various things like educating people, creating awareness. Again, creating awareness is not complete responsibility of government to create awareness among villages or non-educated. It jogs down to every single individual and every single citizen, like a responsibility for him as a citizen of his own country, for his motherland, serving for his motherland, like educating his mates, educating his surroundings, saying that to stop down the energy crisis situations, how exactly to deal with the energy crisis. Second one,
Government should off their hands from this responsibility.
exactly. I never meant to say that, okay, government is least bothered, government should not be responsible. I'm asking to add on the responsibility to ourselves. Take a responsibility, take an initiative as a student to get down into people.
Okay, this is correct. The government is not cheating off their hands or anything. But the fact is, the initial installation charges involved for the solar panel, it takes a lot of amount.
There are many institutions running in India, like the Industrial Development Bank of India, IREDA, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency, NABARD, and
The fact all these things you know is because you are yourself running an NGO and you have all the idea, right? But if talk about me, even I don't know that there are such institutes which are running for. So think about the villagers. They don't even know about the renewable sources of energy. So how can they know about all these things? So government has to go to the villages, they have to talk them, right? So some responsibility they have to take.
What villages are you talking about, dude? There are many people in the villages about electricity and all. They don't have these electricity supplied at their homes.
You talk only the villages don't have the villages.
They don't have the energy to waste it. No, we have the energy to waste it. How many times we come out and switch off the fans and lights? It's not like that.
Even the Hyderabad is having 8 hours of power. So it's not that villages are not having. We are not talking about that. It's the thing is renewable energy, right? We are supposed to do this.
excuse me, it's not different. Turn around and talk to everyone.
The problem is, it's not that there is a lack of education or something. The problem is we know everything, but we aren't applying it. Even if we go to villages, there are numerous villages who don't even have electricity to waste. Most of the power wastage which is coming out, it's in the rural area, not from the sorry. Okay, you are out of the topic. You're talking about efficient energy and so on. So, okay, with this we'll stop the testing of
agree that we should make more because we are generating power by many kind of ways. One of the things we are making dam and generating the power, which is as India it is going. There are many harmful things about that. In India, we are stopping the flow of rivers, our rivers, and making dam on them, and we are generating the power and.
Should we build more nuclear power plant in future?
Yeah, we should make more power plant because this way is a very safe. I'm not saying that it is more safe.
Who said that it's safe?
We can.
Who said that it's safe?
Okay, let us have one from against now.
I think that's the biggest source of energy. Still no, but if you see the side effects, more than anything. The radiations produces more disease than everything.
Okay.
We have
more radiation.
What do you think everything is harmful here? Is anything harmful?
You see the side effect,
More than side effects of many things. We talked about hydraulics. The dam can be broken now.
Whoever talks, please stand and talk.
It can be maintained, but
one at a time,
control the
please.
radiations. Okay,
Sorry, but you can't control the water flow also if the dam has been broken now.
We can control
Not dams. Okay, guys, silence.
It is related to that. It is related. That if we are making, we are generating the power with the dams. Okay. If you are telling about the harmful things, there are many harmful behind this also. We are stopping our flow the rivers. We are destroying our rivers. All India rivers. You know the condition of Ganga. The all India.
still you can control. That's still you can control.
Let me tell you,
You are
getting more
One at a time, one at a time.
Government is
Okay, but you speak. By stopping the flow of river, you are destroying the environment. Okay, but by a single radiation, everything, the human life, the animal life, the environment, everything destroyed. Okay, one second,
Okay, guys.
stopping the river. You are making harmful.
You speak.
Let me tell you one more thing, that nuclear power plant produces the most electricity. And you are getting nuclear power
One second. Others, please maintain silence. Don't discuss when two people are talking. Like 3-4 are talking. Okay, fine. But why you all are discussing among yourselves? I agree the highest amount of energy produced is by the nuclear power plant. But how much amount of that energy is being used? The rest of the energy is being wasted, and the waste energy is very harmful to the overall nature. Yeah, the radiation.
Radiations are not
Radiation.
They are being controlled.
No,
The radiations are being controlled, otherwise
the amount of energy produced, only 5% of it is useful.
So,
the rest is 95%. Yeah, they are not getting used. Your point is clear. Anyone else? They are not getting. Yeah.
Most important, the dam is a multi-purpose project. So it has many uses other than producing electricity, and it is much more
But
efficient.
our topic is, should we establish more nuclear power plant in the country in future or not? Please get away from the dam now. I know that you guys are against and you are talk about 2 minutes.
That is the cause we should
Talk
make.
about nuclear power plant. We are talking about nuclear power plant. Please come back to the topic.
According to me, more nuclear power plants have to be established. You see, you can say there are solar thermal power plants. You can construct hydro power, everything. Of course, it involves a lot of cost. And according to me, every source of energy has its own setbacks. Suppose you are talking about dam, you lose hectares and hectares of land. Many hectares of land. Suppose there is a small hole in the dam, everywhere, that side and this side, both sides it comes down. There will be a loss of huge human capital. In the same way, even nuclear energy has its own setbacks, right?
And the same goes for nuclear plant also.
Exactly. So how much are you generating? You occupy 10,000 acres of land, you generate 100 megawatt. For 100 megawatt generation of idle electricity, you use up 10,000 acres. In the same way, for you use somewhere around 1,000 acres, you generate 1 lakh megawatt. That is Kalpaka. Have you heard how many uranium plants are there in India? Where are?
I don't know.
There are only 4. There are 2 in Chennai, Kalpaka, Sharanti, and the other one is in India. Have you ever noticed that there is have you ever at least listened that there is a loss of human life there? Have you people heard? Have you people heard?
If we get harmed by the hydro or something and to get land is destroying, so see the time the effect is going on. But the radiation is go for the years and years.
Radiations come out only when there is a damage to the plant. The damage is happening to even hydro power projects, wind projects.
See the time period in hydro, we can see like this. It will effect for only 2-3 months, maximum 1 year. While radiation it will cover 60 years, 100 years. See, generation also.
Our country has already number of nuclear ordnance. But you can tell me how many states is using that ordnance electricity from the nuclear ordnance.
You don't get resource for uranium. You don't get
Radiation coming out from that.
You don't know how to control. How is Japan using its uranium power plants in 50 years?
India for management. You want to know the history? We can't even manage the gas plant. Such a big example, Bhopal gas plant. We are thinking we manage the nuclear plant.
There is 1.5 lakh megawatt of gas-based power plant installed in India, and you're talking about just 100 megawatt. That's not a gas-based power plant. It's a chemical factory in Gujarat which caused an explosion, because of which many people lost their lives.
Disposal of nuclear waste, you need such a amount of land.
When are you going to dispose that? When are you going to dispose? End of the day, everywhere you need to dispose. Everywhere you need to dispose.
Where will you dispose of water itself goes in recycles? There is something called water cycle.
Where you construct it? Where is the source? Okay, in India.
How many rivers are there? Maximum. India has 3 direct traffic routes. India has many alternatives for power plants. Talking about nuclear plant, India faces.
Fine. You tell me why didn't they construct a dam on Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Brahmaputra, which are perennial rivers which have flow throughout the year? Why didn't they construct?
For cultivation of energy, you need to rotate the turbine.
Of course, they flooded into the sea directly. You're not constructing a dam. Why are you constructing a dam? Because it has source effect. When you construct a dam, you are using lot of pressure area where irrigation is possible. When you're using a lot of land space, the senior ways for cultivation and generation of power. That's the reason why they don't construct dams. Where it's obstructing and cause a lot of destroy and land and cultivation. So end up with no point. We're having what's the big deal to construct a nuclear power plant?
We are not saving dam. We are even saving solar energy. We are saving plants also.
Yeah, you would favor this also in that
But
case.
we are not supporting nuclear plant.
Why?
Because India, talking about India, sir.
I'm not talking about India, I'm talking about uranium power plant as well.
Putting 4 nuclear power plants. How much space will be needed for putting 4 nuclear power plants?
4 nuclear power plants. It's nothing called as 4 nuclear power plants. It depends upon how much power you're generating from that particular
If you are selling
nuclear power plant, you want to use it more and more in the future. For planting a nuclear plant, how much area will it require?
Probably a lakh acre.
And how many people can live over there?
How many people?
Can actually
Nobody needs to live in the power plant there. Hardly 10 to 20.
And solar power energy can be used.
Solar power energy, where will you use it? You can't construct a...
Engineers have made solar cells.
Even engineers have made nuclear power plants.
Nuclear power plants, but they have to cut it short level, right?
Even here, see, there are 7 different types of solar power plants. Solar photovoltaic, solar thermal, solar magnifying glass UV rays, right? The only one, the photovoltaic cell which you are using, it has to be replenished and refurbished every year, which incurs a lot of cost in that. You think, okay.
Even nuclear plants require a lot of cost inputs.
And it runs for thousands of years. It runs for thousands of years. Mining, you need not do mining there. Only when it's available in that particular place, they construct it.
They constructed when there is one day that
You think,
will also.
see, the same
Okay guys,
thing
let us
like-
stop this discussion here. Okay guys, one second please.
Hello.
As we had a debate right now, and you all discussed on the topic that should we have more nuclear power plants in our country in future and not. Against people and for people, all of you gave a very good debate. I would like to have a round of applause for all of you. And we can say like there are people, there cannot be a final outcome right now out of this debate. But what I get is, what according to me is, we should have more nuclear power plants. But also there is another 50% side of me which says we should not have nuclear power plants. Yeah, now I'll tell you the reason. As you all heard the points said by your mates, your classmates, and you can say a very good discussion, and the debate was given by Mr. Siddharth and Ms. Tanshi, and Sachin was really very good, and